Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Parliament Live Update Mansukh Mandaviya to reply in Lok Sabha over COVID-19 situation. Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha updates. Today in the Lok Sabha time has been allotted for a short duration discussion on the COVID-19 pandemic. The discussion will be held under Rule 193, under which members may seek details about the new Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya is expected to reply over the issue around 2 p.m. on day 3 of the winter session of Parliament. Meanwhile, in the Rajya Sabha, Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat is likely to move the dam safety bill on Wednesday. The bill seeks to provide the surveillance, inspection, operations and maintenance of the specified dam for prevention of dam failure-related disaster and to provide for an institutional mechanism to ensure their safe functioning and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto as passed by Lok Sabha. Be taken into consideration, both the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha will resume at 11 a.m. today. Follow India Today in for all the latest updates from the Parliament winter session. Lok Sabha MP and Congress leader Manickam Tagore moved a motion in the Lok Sabha to discuss compensation for COVID-19 victims. He demanded that rupees 4 lakh each should be given to the needy who were devastated by the COVID-19. Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya will move the Assisted Reproductive Technology Bill 2020 in Lok Sabha on Wednesday. The suspension of 12 Rajya Sabha members rocked both houses of parliament on Tuesday, with the opposition and the government locking horns over the issue and seeking an apology for each other after Chairman M. Venkaiah Naidu rejected an appeal by some leaders to revoke the decision. Assam student leader lynching case, main accused Neeraj Das died in accident. The main accused in Assam student leader lynching case was killed in an accident on Tuesday night. The Neeraj Das was killed when he made a bid to escape on Tuesday night. According to the police, he jumped out of the police car while being transported. He was hit by the police car in the back while trying to flee. Wounded in the accident, Das later succumbed to his injuries. As many as 13 people were arrested in Assam Jorhat district for allegedly beating all Assam Students Union AASU leader Animesh Buan to death on Monday. 2 other people, including a journalist, were injured in the mob attack. The incident reportedly took place after an elderly person riding a scooter was allegedly rammed by Buan's vehicle and injured. A video of the mob attack which surfaced on social media showed youths attacking Animesh Buan in front of police personnel. Neeraj Das was named as the main accused in the incident by the police. 6 of the other accused have also been identified as Bitupan Das, Bikram Das, Shubhas Das, Avinash Bora, Deva Das and Mohan Das. Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma on Tuesday directed the police to file a charge sheet within 30 days. The state government has also announced financial assistance of rupees 5 lakh for Bhuvan's family.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না, সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান, তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.